Hey there, car enthusiasts. If you're tired of struggling to clean those hard storage areas in your car, then you need to check out this amazing car window cleaner brush kit. This cleaning tool is an absolute game-changer when it comes to maintaining the cleanliness of your car's interior. The special features of this kit include its soft and smooth material made of ABS and nanofibers, making it gentle enough to use on your car's interior without causing any damage. The long handle allows you to reach those pesky areas that are usually difficult to clean, and the lightweight design makes it easy to handle. Not only is this kit perfect for cleaning your car's interior, but it also has a wide range of uses. You can use it to clean your home, television screens, mirrors, and even floors. It's a versatile cleaning tool that every car owner needs in their arsenal. So, if you're tired of struggling with traditional cleaning tools that just don't cut it, then it's time to upgrade to the car window cleaner brush kit. Don't miss out on the opportunity to make your car cleaning routine so much easier. Click the link in the description to get your hands on this amazing cleaning tool and say goodbye to the struggle of keeping your car's interior clean. Trust me, you won't regret it.